Hey my youth, you know where you watch.
So I'll be driving under the bridge, the new overpass, and Agley Park Road. So this is what the Chinese have done. A really good job so far. So someone can drive on over it instead of under it. But this used to be Portia Simpson Square. This used to be, you know, where you could drive through and all of that. But it's going on. Yeah. Gas station, what used to be here. So this is the overpass. Chinese have done a really good job. Oh, Hunts Bay, the famous Hunts Bay police station, right here. That's Hunts Bay. So the overpass. It's not. This road is not officially open, but like people can drive here if you have like four-wheel vehicle or something, you know what I mean? But this is it, the new overpass. I'm driving all the way down because I'm going Portmore. This is it. That's people. There's a lot of dust down here, though. A lot of dust. Dust almost killed me a while ago, I swear. So, I don't know if you can see it yet. Let's sit there. The overpass. And you go and join this road. So you got the Portmore and all about. I know I'm gonna do a good job recording because, you know, I drive, but that's what the thing says.
Jamaica road work, I get there, you know? It'll get better and better, you see it? Coming out to the lie the other day, the road did dig up bad. Not even the school pit them could have go across the road. I mean, not talk like car speed, no, because not even the car them could have even used the road. You see me? Mud did there everywhere. One time I see a construction man, I feel lift up all and look a school girl and bring her across the road because of the rain, the way the place muddy. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's what you see right about now, a 3 mile, you know. Right at 3 mile, it's a 3 mile almost complete. Everything I got good right about now, you see it? Yeah, man. So yeah, this Jamaica roadwork thing now is to connect the whole of Jamaica now one. People soon start live at St. Elizabeth and work at Kingston. Left all in yard 7 o'clock and reach at work before 9. And that's what happening, you know. I want to think Jamaica that big. No, sir, just the corner make Jamaica road come up to so much miles to go certain places. You see me? And that enough people don't know. But with these highways and so forth and these overpass, it just cut out everything right over Zeus and them things. You see me? So right there, so we are look pan. I right down a 3 mile so you see me? You know the wharf and everything, you know them place there, the whole of the little junction there, yeah. Where the gas station used to they call it, the gas station they look like it either go move or it might have to lift back a little bit. You see me I say? And near Bell Road and them place there. You see me? Spanish Town Road. I don't know it. But anyways, I don't know the thing already, you see me? Alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT.